Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today is the release of Elio, the new Pixar movie in France, and I'm really excited. This video is about the DIY of Elio Disneybound / costume. I love the themes of the movie: loneliness, aliens, and space. Like, I'm a big alien fan. I will wear different outfits during the video because it will be different days, so I don't change 3 times a day, only at Disney. To help me do the Disneybound of Elio, I have the art book of the movie. There is a page with Elio and his outfit, and I will take it as an example for the outfit we are doing in this video. Elio has a kind of shoulder pads. They are shoulder pads. You can buy them on Amazon, but they're white, so we need to paint them purple, and then we will decorate them. Let's do it! I used airbrush to paint them because it was the easiest way, and I have an airbrush, so. But I think you could use paint in cans, spray paint. I think you could do spray paint or even a brush and purple paint. It will not be as quick as the 5 minutes it took to paint them with a brush, but it will work. I will take the drawing as an example to follow. So we are we do one. Okay, so it's just like this, and there is a big star here. They are bigger, but it's okay. And I have to do 3 spoons here. Okay, pink, blue, and orange. Okay, and then we'll. Oh, I don't know if I have enough of this. Okay, let's start. Oops. Yes. I'm French, so I like to say things like up, clack when I do something. this is our first one. Maybe they are too big. I don't know. Our shoulder pads are almost done. Elio has a green ribbon here and here. I have my green ribbon here. Okay, so I need to do something like this. Now we are doing the cape. I will paint some little stars on it with green paint and really light purple paint. I have made a stencil of stars. I printed some stars on paper and then I cut the form with a box cutter. Paint. To paint, I will not use a brush, I will use a sponge. I think it will be easier to do it with a sponge. I'm gonna start. I had a little accident here, but it's okay because, as I said before, the cape of Elio is not perfect at all. Now I can do all four, I think. Okay, I will let this dry. It's hot today, so I think it will be pretty fast. I'll ask a paint expert, aka my boyfriend, and he say I shouldn't have put water in the paint. No worries. It's handmade. It looks like a kid did it. So it's perfect. Use my finger to paint the stars because I just wanted to do it with my fingers. And the last part for Elio Disneybound / costume is a Elio t-shirt. It is green and it has a face of an alien on it. This is a t-shirt. It's green. I bought it on Amazon for like €6 and I will draw using this alien face with a black Sharpie. will attach the cape to the shoulder pad with this, so I can take it away if I want. Finally, I glue gun the shoulder pad because it kept falling. The quick makeup and I tried to do an hairstyle with star-shaped things, but I don't know how to style my hair. I will show you my outfit of Elio. We have the shoulder pads, the iron t-shirt and the cape. Thank you for watching my DIY. I hope you enjoy watching my vlog. If you like it, you can subscribe so you won't miss more vlogs. I will do a vlog on Disneyland Paris soon. See you soon.